y'all, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to do something a little bit different. We are going to take y'all along with us as we go yard selling. It looks like it's raining outside, but it's not. It's just really foggy here.
So much fog.
Say good morning to Charles.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're actually throwing something different y'all's way. Yard sale videos. We actually do yard selling quite a bit because you never know what we're going to find.
Yeah.
And you know I do the comic books, so.
Yeah. We've actually taken y'all with us when we go thrifting, but we're going to try yard selling and see what you think. If you don't know, or if you're new to the channel, I do a lot of mobile home decorating. I'm fixing up my mobile home. It's really beautiful. Go back and check out those videos. But in today's video, like I said, we just wanted to try something a little bit different and take y'all along with us. We also have, excuse me, we also have 2 antique booths. So we go out and looking for fun stuff, little antiques, hidden treasures. He looks for comic books, Pokemon stuff. I look for stuff for the house, and we look for stuff to fulfill our booths. So today we're going to take you along with us, and then tomorrow we're going to a flea market, so we might add that too, but let's go see what we can find. When we go yard selling, we always stop at Hardee's. It's like a little tradition. We have like a little route we take. Look at their biscuit this morning. It's a little heart for Valentine's Day.
Alright guys, yard sale.
Looks like we got 2.
There's not too many today. We went to one that wasn't nothing really going on. It wasn't really worth recording.
Yeah.
But we're going to try to hit this one. And stay tuned because we're going to do a giveaway. And I'm going to tell you how to enter in just a couple minutes. And we're going to hit the booth today.
Yeah, we're going to drop off some stuff at our antique booth. So stay tuned for that. It's only the first week in January, right?
Yeah.
So, I mean, February. So yard sales aren't really hopping yet. But we figure with the weather here in North Carolina, 70 degrees, that somebody be having some yard sales.
Yeah.
So we got 2 in here, so let's see what we can find.
He is cool. He looks old. Oh, some shoes. There's a farmhouse looking stuff. Pigs.
Anywhere from 60 to 200 online. We got 30 on here.
Okay, y'all, so that did not work out well. They had a couple things that were all right, but they wanted eBay prices. Everything we asked them, well, it sells on eBay for 200, so we want 190.
Which is
so
and a lot of people, I'm sorry, go ahead though.
Yeah, there's nothing wrong with that, obviously, but if you're gonna have a yard sale, we want yard sale prices. If you want to have eBay prices, put it on eBay or throw it up at a auction or something. We don't care for those kind of yard sales, so no luck, but we're gonna keep trying.
And I will say something, just to let y'all know, if y'all knew it, like reselling stuff or whatever, you cannot go to eBay and take a picture of your stuff and go for the see all these. That's why
when you see the first picture, people think that's the price. You
got to go to last sold, because it might say $200, but it only sold for 30. People don't realize that, and they think that, oh, it says 200 online. Like I do comic books, and you'd be surprised. I see like a $5 comic somebody puts on there for like $50,000. It's like the craziest thing you've ever seen.
And the really crazy thing is that when people do a Google, like an image search, they see that and they're like, oh my gosh, I have gold here. But anyway, so that's kind of what that yard sale was. I
mean, there's nothing wrong with that, but nobody's gonna buy that stuff.
Yeah, I don't like seeing that at yard sales. No offense to anybody. If you're gonna have a yard sale, have some yard sale prices.
Exactly. We have a yard sale and we just get, I mean, most stuff we ever like $10 and under, because that's what a yard sale's all about.
Yeah.
Nowadays people try to,
Yeah, we're starting to see a lot of that too, where we go to these yard sales and they're asking
antique prices.
Yeah, I feel like
even though we have an
mall.
Antique shop, that's just how stuff.
Yeah,
is.
we have an antique mall, but when we do a yard sale, we don't ask them prices.
Even
but
at
anyway,
an antique shop, we got good prices.
Yeah, we do. We have really good prices.
We actually won the vendor award for top sales. So
Yeah.
that tells you right there how
We got the platinum member.
Yeah. So if we have something that's worth like $30, we put it for like $22 or something. So it's still $8 cheaper. You can buy it cheaper at our store than online, and then you don't have to pay shipping and fees. So, you know, we try to do that to help everybody out because that's what it's all about. You know, because when we get good deals, we give them good deals.
Yeah. All right, so we're going to head to our next one and see what we can find.
If we don't find anything, we will go to the antique shop, so stay tuned for that. Oh, so if you're still logging in.
Logging in.
Did you tell, did we all record about the other one?
Oh, no. We went to, oh, here's another thing. We went to a yard sale right across the street, and there was 2 signs, like, we were like, oh, yeah, we're getting ready to find a cool yard sale. It was 1 yard sale, 2 signs, and 1 table with stuff on it.
Yeah, not too much.
So, no luck today, but that's just how it is. Sometimes you can't always find a good one.
Yep. It might be like a flea market thing we're about to go to.
Oh, yeah. If we go the right way, we can't really remember, but hopefully we'll pass this little flea market, and we'll show y'all some of that. All right, guys, so we were just riding, and we happened to see this one, so let's see if we can find something. Crossing our fingers, and so far, nothing. That blanket looks cool. I'm gonna go check that out.
Some tires?
We don't need no tires. All right.
Some hats up here. What's the scene over here, bro?
I like this stuff. It smells good. And this is Jordan's favorite soap. It's full vanilla bean.
Okay.
And depending on what they want, it's all black chocolate.
Where do you use that?
Oh, that's deer spray.
Deer spray.
Yeah. Did you see what that blanket was?
Ew. Rubies. Bill Robertson. That was a good movie. Oh, keychain, yeah. You got an also doodle. Or a doodle dog.
I got most of the
All right, y'all. So we had to stop by Dollar General on our trip yard selling, and he found some Pokemon cards. Yeah, he's excited because they have like a rare pack in them.
Yes, it's
You
like
want to
a
show them?
$30 pack.
In case your kids do Pokemon. It's got
Evolving Skies in it. And that's like a good one. At Dollar General, that's like a $30 pack, and this only costs $15.
Yeah, that's a
And you
whole
get
pack.
3 packs. That's
Anyway.
pretty good.
So he's having a good day.
Thank you.
All right, y'all. We are at our little antique mall. This is our second one that we opened in Whiteville, North Carolina. We're getting ready to take you show you our booth, but we'll just kind of show you around. This is one of my friend's booths, Kitsy Katie.
Yeah, this is some of the
She's got
stuff we
some
was
cool
looking
stuff.
for. Pirates is always good. That's one
Yeah,
way.
she's got some cool stuff.
This is kind of the stuff we was looking for today, but not happy.
I love that little chair.
That wicker chair is nice. They got jewelry and stuff.
Yeah. I don't have this bowl. I don't think I have this one in my collection. Let's see what she's got. 40.
That thing's
Pretty.
clean. Yeah. I'll show you. Very clean.
All right, we'll take you and walk around for a second. But yeah, we'll show you our booth. Let's do a little. I don't know what this is.
That's good. Look, they got more vendors. Different vendors though. Well, this one's cool.
This one's so pretty.
Very kitschy.
So cute. I like how they do the little valance. Cute. Well, let me zoom out a little bit. Sorry if I'm getting you dizzy. This is cute. I like that olive tree.
Them things cost money. If you ever find one, I wonder
what they want
for that olive tree. What do you think?
Oh, the olive tree. It's probably not for sale.
Oh, it's for sale.
Oh, it is for sale.
$50.
That ain't too shabby.
You look for olive trees.
This one's cute too, very farmhousey.
That ladder is cool.
The ladder is cool.
That's very farmhouse. It looks just like our house.
I'm gonna show you my friend Amy's booth. She's got some cool stuff too. Hers is gorgeous.
Where is it at?
Over here. It's over here. All right, we'll skip over there. Look, y'all, look at this massive tree. All right, this is Amy's booth.
Did you get 2 of them?
I think they just opened it up, make it bigger. Isn't it pretty? I'm on the lookout for one of these. Hoosier.
Amy got some cool stuff.
Amy does got some cool stuff. This is pretty.
Is that supposed to be like a clock and the doorknob? That is cool.
I'm not sure.
Alright, let's go show them ours, baby.
Okay. Oh, look at all the blues Amy's got. Pretty hutch. Amy, if you're watching, hey girl. She watches my channel. She's good people. All right, I'll take you over to see ours. See, I want a real pretty, elegant booth, but this fella here messes me up. So, both of our booths, they're my stuff with a mix of comic books. One day I'm gonna have my own booth.
What's the most selling item?
He does really good here, I guess, because there's not a lot of comics here. This is pretty, and Pokemon cards, so he does good. Baby, see, that little display case would be perfect.
That's what I
We
want.
need something like, we're on the lookout also. Is it for sale? For something like this. For one of our booths. We don't know which one to put it. Probably here. But yeah, we're on the lookout for a small one like that. That's perfect. All right. If you're ever in Whiteville, North Carolina, come check us out. Farmer's Wife. All right, here's our booth. Dun, 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 dun.
We got a little display right there.
Yeah, we gotta find something better.
Show my wall. Yeah.
You see what I mean? I'm just playing.
But she got cool stuff
He
too.
does good.
She let me have some of the space too.
Yeah.
Got your Pyrex.
Yeah, here's some of his Pokemon stuff. He's got a bunch of cards in there and yeah, comics. Then we got some just old stuff. We got some Pyrex in here. I found this at I think I found it at a yard sale, didn't I?
Yeah, real cheap. That's why you go yard selling.
I got a little tag on here, not for sale, because I don't want to sell it. I just find cool stuff and put it in here. Got some blow molds. We got another one on the other side. Then we just utilize all this. Put stuff up there. Small Tupperware. We got purses hanging on the side. But yeah, y'all can go back about a year ago and watch our booth at or look at the video with our booth in Florence. But yeah, this is it. All right, y'all. Appreciate y'all hanging out with us today. I'm sorry we didn't find too much, but sometimes that's just how it goes. But yes, to be entered into the giveaway, just comment down below 11K. We're going to be giving away a gift card, so don't forget to be subscribed. Leave the comment 11K, and good luck. Thank you, guys.